I wanted to give you a look inside. This is the house that I will be doing an open house this weekend. It is an old farmhouse from 1909 that's been completely renovated. It's just gorgeous. It still has a lot of the old charm, and they've updated a lot of it. The yard is huge. Here's the kitchen, a beautiful view out your kitchen window there. Lots of decks and entertaining space. There's a gigantic garage out there. I'm sure there's got a big room or something to enjoy and entertain. Old-fashioned pantry, even a cool little old phone. The floors are beautiful. There's a pocket door and a cute little powder room. And another deck. Little garden out there, a little old-fashioned shed. The root shed, I guess they used to call it. Here's the dining room. And beautiful window seat. The brick outside is just gorgeous too. Kind of reminds you of like a bed and breakfast. Beautiful trim. Kind of like a shaker style. I'm gonna go up the front stairs. And the back was where the kitchen was. There's a staircase up there as well. I don't have the lights on, so I might have to turn the lights as we go. It's 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Cute little closet here. Lots of closet space for an older home too. Okay. This old tile is really, my mother-in-law's house had that in Berwood. Cute. Upstairs laundry room. Oh, that's a nice updated feature. Oh, there's even another level. What's up here? Okay, here's an unfinished attic. Wow, huge. Holy cow, so this could almost be a whole nother room. Full finished attic. Wow. Holy cow, does this house have the space? And again, look at that backyard. It's huge. That garage there, so a whole other house in a house, or a guest house perhaps. Really nice flooring throughout. Towards the other direction. It almost be another whole like a living space. And look at this kitchen. Oh, this kitchen is beautiful. I love the granite. Very clean and sleek, and yet still has the old charm. Lots of exits, so it seems like it could almost be definitely related living if needed. Wow. More bedrooms down here. Exterior exits out of both places here. Another bathroom here, another fireplace. I love that brick that they're using. Another bathroom. I could see this being almost an Airbnb if you need it, because it's got locking doors. And okay, here's the entrance to the garage. Maybe this is the original basement. Workshed. There's a lot of fuses here. A lot of power to this house. Here's the side yard. So this is the original 1900 section of the basement. Oh, they got their little kids. Oh, how cute. Not sure where this goes out to. This goes out to the yard. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, so you could go out from that bedroom. You could go out from that little room there. Covered patio. You can walk up to another patio. That's out the kitchen up there. This house just goes on and on and on. I'd like to get into that other building just so you can see it, but I might not be able to do this today. So enjoy my tour, and I hope to see you or somebody you know that would like this beautiful home in Downers Grove this weekend actually Sunday from 1 till 3. I hope to see you there at this beautiful house. And the address is 5531 Lyman Avenue in Downers Grove. Thank you. Hope to see you there.